Hi, my name is Moni. You're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can have a smooth and glowy skin. Those kind of skin you can go out without using makeup. So if this is the kind of content you enjoy watching, please hit the subscribe button down below. So I'm going to be showing you how you can use rice to make a mixture that can help you to have a flawless skin. Those type of skin that you can go out without using makeup.